So let's see today's lovely Goan Tendli Pickle. Now here I've taken 100 grams of Tendli. Now you can call it Tondli or Tendli. Now I've washed it really well and I'm going to take off the tips. Now I'm going to cut each of the pieces into half and then each half into either 2 or 3 pieces. We're looking for very thin slices like this. So transfer all the cut pieces into a bowl and continue cutting the rest of them in the same way. So you can either cut them into 2 halves if they are very small, or if they are a little larger, you can cut them into 3 and lengthwise. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of salt and we're going to mix everything really well, and we're going to cover and set this aside for at least 8 hours. You can keep it overnight too, but 8 hours is sufficient. Now after 8 hours, I'm going to squeeze out all the excess water or liquid that comes out of the tendli really well. And then I'm going to keep it on a kitchen napkin. See, you can see all the water or the liquid coming out. Just squeeze it. Now what this does is this ensures a longer shelf life of the pickle. I followed almost a similar method with my brinjal pickle and mango pickles. I'll leave the link to all my pickle recipes in the description box below. And you can see how much of the liquid is collected. Discard that liquid. Now we're going to let this completely dry for 24 hours. Keep changing the napkin, the kitchen napkin below after every maybe 4 or 5 hours, and keep it in the sun if possible. Now after 24 hours, you will see that it has shriveled up or dried up like this. Now we're going to grind the masala paste. Now for that I am using 1 inch of ginger, 8 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of cumin or jeera, half a teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, 7 red chilies, and half a cup of vinegar. Now not a drop of water goes into this masala. Now I like to grind my masala on the stone because then there's no chance of any water getting into the pickle. You can also use a mixer grinder. Just grind the masala to a very fine paste, only using the vinegar, not a drop of water. That will ensure longer shelf life, and of course the taste also from the vinegar is amazing. So grind this masala really fine. And then you get a nice fine masala paste like this. So now our paste is ready and our tendli is ready, so we can start with the recipe. So now here I've just heated up about 1.5 cup of oil, and we're going to add this tendli to the oil, and we're going to fry it really well on a low to medium flame for 5 whole minutes. We want this to become nice and crispy. That really enhances the flavor of this pickle. So once it's done, just take it out again on a kitchen napkin to drain all the excess oil. Now to the same oil, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let the mustard seeds splutter nicely, and then we're going to add a few curry leaves, 7 to 8 fresh curry leaves. Let the curry leaves also become nice and crispy. Then I've taken 1 green chili and I've chopped it up fine. I'm going to add the green chili. Now fry the green chili really well till it gets a nice white kind of coating on the peel. Now we're going to add our ground paste. Now once the paste hits the hot oil, you'll get this beautiful aroma of the paste as well as the vinegar. So fry this for a whole minute. The masala also needs to be really fried well in this oil. So fry the masala for a whole minute. Now remember not to add a single drop of water to this recipe. And now we're just going to add our fried tendli back into the oil. And now just mix everything really well together. Now we're just going to season it with some salt to taste. And I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of jaggery. Mix everything really nicely well together. If you don't have jaggery, you can also use sugar. But jaggery gives a beautiful taste to this lovely pickle. And now just cook it for just about a minute. And then we're going to switch off the heat and let this mixture completely cool to room temperature. You'll see that even after I put off the heat, it will still be bubbling. So let it cool for at least about 30 to 45 minutes. And only then transfer it to a clean dry glass bottle. And always ensure that there's an inch of oil over the pickle. That way it will remain for a longer period of time like this. And that's it, guys. Our lovely Tendli pickle is all ready to enjoy.
Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshita's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshita saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.